down. It's amazing how it supports you.
There's no pressure on the knees whatsoever. And I feel it right in my inner thighs, outer, my butt area.
I don't feel any pain.
This is real good.
You do it on here, it just, they have all the support in the world, and it makes me actually want to do it instead of dreading working out. Oh, wow, it feels like I've had a whole workout in just a couple minutes.
This is just what the doctor ordered. I mean, every woman should have one of these.
The Breakthrough 3-Minute Leg Sculpting Program was designed by a woman for women to target our unique problem areas. Now that amazing woman is Laura McGlashy. Laura, how does 3-minute legs stack up against walking, running, or other aerobic exercises, that women typically use to try and sculpt their problem areas?
Cardiovascular activity like running and walking is great. It burns calories, it conditions your heart and your lungs, but it doesn't provide the same kind of workout that you get with 3-minute legs. See how it works your calves, your quads, your hamstrings, and your glutes? It sculpts and firms your lower body without adding bulk. And it's one reason why you only